In order to watermark your PowerPoint presentation, let's say with a background picture, first you go to View, then Slide Master, Insert, Pictures, this device, and then let's say I want to include this picture as a watermark, but I don't want it to be as dark, so I want it to be more transparent. So if you go on top left here where there's transparency, you can see how transparent you would like it to be. Here it's 95%. If you click on it, but you think you still want to make it more transparent, you can right click on the picture itself, Format Picture, go to the last option here in Format Picture. You'll find the option Picture Transparency. You can use the arrows to increase the transparency. Let's say I want it as 98% to be less visible here. And then I'll go back to Slide Master, then close Master View. Now it will be automatically included in every slide we have within our presentation, even new slides.